Hello everyone! Today I've come with a different video. Like all of you watching this video right now, I'm seeking progress and a way to generate income. Every day I strive to find new topics. One topic that I've seen repeatedly on YouTube is creating mass-produced videos in a very short time. In all tutorials, it's claimed that making these videos is very simple and you can create thousands of short videos in 5 minutes, becoming a millionaire by just pressing a button and setting YouTube on fire. But the reality is quite different. This task is more complicated than what you see. I've created these videos myself and know how much effort is required for this type of content. You can only achieve a large number of videos with ChatGPT and Canva. However, understand that the key to success in this style of videos lies in your creativity. You can never gain millions of views by repeating past methods. Now, let's try the mentioned methods together. In these videos, it's suggested that using pre-trained data, you can have thousands of ready-made and non-repetitive content in ChatGPT. But the reality is that only is the content not non-repetitive, but it's also very unclear and basic. It doesn't even engage you, let alone the audience looking for quality and engaging content. So, the first step is to write a suitable prompt to enhance the quality of your work. You can write in any language or dialect you speak in ChatGPT. You just need to instruct it correctly. You need to describe precisely what you want. Below, I've provided a sample prompt. In this sample, I clearly explained what I need. With this prompt, I easily obtained extraordinary content. As you can see, I have 300 motivational texts, each with a specific topic, averaging 30 words. Thanks to ChatGPT for helping us. At the end of this video, I'll reveal the secret of using 30 words. But now, let's focus on our task. But before that, press the subscribe button to stay informed about new topics. I hope the video has been helpful so far. Don't forget to press the like button. Now, let's move on to Canva, where our videos are created. First, according to the template mentioned in other videos, search for a short video and select it. In this section from the video part, you can choose a sample. Decide whether it should have sound or not, based on your preference. Also, adjust the size of the video. Choose a duration of 5 seconds for your videos. This time is the secret of the 30-word limit, which I'll reveal at the end. After that, from the text section, choose Add a Heading, add it to the video, and determine its placement. Also, select the font size and background according to your taste and change its name to Topic. Then, take a copy of Add a Heading and paste it into the center of the page. Now it's time to use the content from ChatGPT and Canva. Go to the app option from the column on the side and click on Bulk Create. Click on Enter Data Manually and paste each ChatGPT table into it. You can paste the tables into an Excel file beforehand, select all of them, and transfer them to Canva. Click on Done, right-click on the topic, choose Connect Data, and select the topic again. Now do the same for the text in the center of the page. Click on Continue, and now all your content is linked. Now it's time for the content explosion. By clicking the Generate button, you have 300 videos, each with a different title and text. A crucial point is to make any changes you want to the text before generating. Add any effects or animations you like. Now you have 300 short videos, each with a different text. But this is not the end of the road. The sensitive point here is, are 300 videos with the same background attractive? Definitely not. So use your creativity. Now it's time for magic. Change each background according to your taste. Here is the main point in making bulk videos. See how much time it takes to change the background of 300 short videos. It takes about 30 minutes to prepare 50 short videos. As a result, you spend about 3 hours to prepare 300 video shorts. So keep in mind that it is not possible to make 300 short videos in just 5 minutes. Finally, click on the share button and choose the download option. Make sure to check the download pages as separate files option. Now we go to the special sauce. The magic of 30 words is here. It takes at least 10 to 15 seconds to read a text of 30 words. When you set the duration of your video to 5 seconds to read this text, your video will be seen 3 times. And this is the magic of short text videos. Now you have 300 short videos that you can upload daily or schedule. I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to press the subscribe button to not miss other videos. You can share the video with your friends. Until the next video, happy creating!